Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a full head of foils for my client Mandy. So to start, I section off the T-section of the head. This is along the parting and the front hairline. When dividing the hair, make sure you're not taking wider sections than the foil. I like to make the parting approximately 2 inches wide and take the front two sections from the profile to the top of the ear. Once you have taken the T-section away, follow the profile section down to the nape of the neck and clip away. That should leave you with 2 final sections of hair which you can put into clips. In total, you should have 6 sections. If you're looking to do a 9-section full head of foils, then clip all 3 back panels into 2. This will give you the traditional 9-section. I've done a diagram of the section in here to show you. Now that you have sections off the hair, it's time to start foiling. I like to take horizontal slices from each panel across the back 3 sections and work from one side to the other. I find this technique is easier than working up each panel individually. You can see on my first foil that the section is not very wide, even though I took hair from both panels. In this case, just put in the appropriate amount of foils for the hair you're working with. Once you have gone up the head a few times, it will even back out to 3 foils. Okay, once you've taken hair from each panel to highlight, it's time to put in the foils. Remember not to take a section wider than the foil. Pick up the slice and finally weave the hair using the end of the tail comb. Pull up and hold the top weave and let go of the bottom weave. Fold the foil over the end of the tail comb and place the foil under the top weave. Use the tail comb to hold the foil firmly in place and hold the weave firmly down onto the foil. Keep hold of the weave and use the other hand to apply the product. In my case, I am using lightener. I apply the lightener away from the root and gently pull the lightener up to the root using the excess product. If you're new to highlighting, it's best to keep your product 1 centimeter away from the root to allow for any swelling or bleeding. When you've put the majority of the product on, then you can let go of the weave and apply the rest to the ends. Really gently lift the end of the foil up to reach the top of the foil and gently smooth it shut. Carefully close the outside corners in and move on to your next foil. Always be careful not to disturb the last foil. Work your way up the 3 back panels and stop at the profile section. I like to next move along to the profile section, working from back to front and then finish off with my 2 side sections. I do this as the hair is finer around the front hairline and needs less time to develop. Make sure you check under the foils to make sure you don't have any spotting from the lightener. I'll show you a few more foils so that you can really see what I'm doing. When working on the front two panels, I work in a diagonal pattern as I think it looks more natural and less stripy. Continuously keep checking your first foils to make sure they are not over-processing. If they are ready to come off before you have finished the full head, then you can stop them from processing further. To do this, remove the foil and wipe off the product. Then apply neat conditioner to stop the oxidization. You can then go back to your foiling and wait for everything to fully develop. As long as you are working with a gentle touch and keeping tension on the foil and the weave, then you shouldn't get any slippage. This is what the hair should look like with the foils in. With this particular colour, my client would like a toner. To do this, I remove the lightener at the backwash and shampoo once. I then carefully go through her hair and apply her toner. In this case, I am using a level 9 with beige and purple undertone. I then allow the toner to take for approximately 20 minutes, rinse and condition. I finally gave my client a base cut with layers and a wavy finish. This is what the final results look like. If you have liked this video, please hit subscribe and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you soon. Bye.